After a long time, I finally remembered that I have a YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am breaking down the code, how I made that. So let's go. For that, the language I have used is Python, but you can use any of language because language doesn't matter. The thing that matters is library. There are three libraries that you have to use in order to make this steering wheel. First is MediaPipe, that is used for hand detection. Second is OpenCV, that draws steering on the window. Third is PyInput, that is like clicking a keyboard key without physical touch. So like when I move to left, it clicks the left click on the keyboard, and when I like rotate right, it clicks the right click on keyboard. I will keep this video short, and if you know how to use these things, just I have given the code in the description, just go and use it. And if you really want to learn few things, just watch this video till end. So now let's get to the screen. I will not write the full code here because that will take a loads of time. I will just give you the overview and breakdown of it. So the first thing, how to install the libraries. You just need to write pip3 install OpenCV Python and PyInput. I have already installed all this, that's why it is requirement already satisfied. Now let's move to the code. So this is the full code. It have around 350 lines of code. Let's start with importing the libraries. First is CV2, import MediaPipe as MP, import NumPy, import maths. Yeah, one thing, I have used AI also because I am not great at maths. So don't think that I am genius. By the way, I am, but import platform, that is another thing, and another is PyInput keyboard for the keyboard key mapping. For the hand detection, you can use boilerplate code for MediaPipe. This code only detects your hand through the camera. So in code, I have written like this function checks that is my palms are open or closed. If they are open, that means I have to it will put brake in the car. If that is like feast, the car is accelerating and moving. So this function checks this palm is open or not. Another is when to press left key, when to press right. So for the steering controller, I have write the small function like the definition def press release all, and all this. The main thing I have to show you is the this is draw steering wheel. It is an OpenCV code. It draws the things on the window, on camera window. Look at this. While true, red frame kept dot read. This full code is all about tracking your hands, tracking your fingers, and is the hand is open or closed. And also let me tell you where I have used the AI. This part I have used the AI because I have to calculate the distance also and the angle that it is really rotating or not. Now let me show you how to use this code. You have to install this requirement txt, then run it. It will take some time. So this is it. Moving. One more thing, if it shows something like a blank window, camera is not opening or something like that, you just need to change here camera index number from 1 to 9, whichever your device is preferred. Now just run the Python file after cloning it, and then go to any game. Like I am going on the browser, it is like online car racing game, and I am searching for this crazy game, and this one is my favorite one. So now let's play it. This was the whole video, and if you want to know anything else, just let me know in the comments.